They often
Yes.
misunderstand the Jamaican process. Let's expound on that a little bit more.
So they do what they don't.
They misunderstand. They often
They
misunderstand.
misunderstand,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
So a lot of the time, it's a terminology that we
Uh
use.
huh.
So attorney, lawyer, same
Mm-hmm.
person. Conveyancer, law attorney, same person. Strata, we don't use the term strata. So if it's we have leasehold and freehold properties, but let me just leave that aside for a moment.
Yeah.
So you have, if you live in an apartment, you own that apartment, a separate company manages that complex then that you live in.
Mm-hmm.
We don't even call it a complex. We say and the estate that you live in. An estate is usually made up of lots of apartments. All right. So that's where the another confusion arises. So they're not used to having to deal with a strata or the
Yes.
strata commission
Right.
or paying money to somebody directly who probably lives next door to you.
Yes.
Then that's sort of just so foreign to them.
Yes.
So it's a separate company that will deal with that.
Yes.
You don't even see them. You just pay your money each month and they look after everything.